Join me as I dive into the world of HCTI stock and challenge myself to figure out if it's really ready to explode. HCTI stock has been on my radar lately, and I've been wondering if it's about to make some serious moves. This company has been making waves in the tech industry, and its stock performance has been pretty interesting to watch. With all the buzz around it, I'm excited to dig in and see if it's really ready to explode. One of the main concerns with HCTI stock is market volatility. We've seen some wild swings in the market lately, and it's got investors on edge. Add to that the skepticism from some investors who are questioning the company's long-term prospects, and you've got a recipe for uncertainty. This kind of uncertainty can be a major obstacle for any stock, but especially one that's trying to gain traction. The company has also been dealing with some tough competition in the tech space. There are a lot of players vying for attention, and it's hard to stand out from the crowd. HCTI needs to keep innovating and pushing the boundaries if it wants to stay ahead of the game. That being said, I think it's worth exploring some of the factors that could influence HCTI's stock performance. Recent company developments have been a mixed bag. On the one hand, they've made some significant strides in their product offerings, which could be a major win for the company. On the other hand, there have been some concerns about their financials, which could impact investor confidence. Market trends are also playing a role, with some investors betting on a tech resurgence. Economic indicators are looking pretty positive, but it's hard to predict what will happen next. I've been digging into the data, and I've found some interesting trends. HCTI stock has been showing some promising signs, with increasing buying pressure and improving fundamentals. The company's recent announcements have also been well received by the market, which could be a sign that things are moving in the right direction. If these trends continue, it's possible that HCTI stock could be on the verge of a breakout. The question on everyone's mind is HCTI stock ready to explode? Based on the data, I think it's definitely possible. Of course, there's always risk involved with any investment, but I think HCTI is definitely worth keeping an eye on. So, let's recap. HCTI stock has been making some waves, but it's not without its challenges. Market volatility, investor skepticism, and tough competition are all potential obstacles. However, recent developments, market trends, and economic indicators are all looking pretty positive. What do you guys think about HCTI stock? Do you think it's ready to explode, or are there still too many risks involved? Let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other videos for more insights on the stock market and investing. I'd love to have you along for the ride.